Here we go, here we are. So thanks for tuning in. Today we see how to make the step counter. So mostly the coding part. So firstly we see what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and type BBC Microbit. Alright, that will bring us to this website. So you click on it. And for there you click on Let's Code. Alright, let's code, and we click on Make Code Editor. So we click on that. Alright, so you can see I already have two made there. So let's create a new project. So we call it the step counter. Step counter. Let's call it 3. Oh, step counter. Alright, so we need to be able to count the steps. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to create a variable to store all the steps, how our fits are moving, and increase them by 1 all the time. So for that we need the box. The box is a variable, and we can put whatever we want in it, like apples, pears, whatever you want. Here is going to be the steps. So let's do that. So make a variable and call it steps. For this. Alright. So this is what we do. So we start by initialize it at 0. So we have 2 blocks here, one forever and this one is on start. So what's the name is it on start, it executed only once. So it initialize it. It's initialized the variable steps at 0. After that, you're going to be 1, 2, and so on. The forever loop block, we put it aside. We won't use it because we're mostly going to use another block called onShake. So that's a block I already pre-made. So when something is shaking on this BBC Microbit board, this is where it's going to be attached to our shoe. So when it's moving, we want to do certain things. So in our case, when it's moving, we want it to increment the variable step to 1. 2, if it's already at 1, it goes at 2. If it's already at 3, it goes at 4, and so on. So here we are. So we're gonna say, okay, change step by 1. So if it's at 1, it goes at 2. If it's at 2, it goes at 3, and so on. So it goes, keeps going, it keeps going, and it goes this way. This is how it works. And from there, we want it also to display on. So we have something here. We want it to display the value what we have for steps. So you're gonna show it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For that, we need to go to basics, and we use this block show string. You put it right after. We start here on shake, increment the step, and then show. But we don't want halo, right? So we go back to variable, and we change it by steps. Your variable step, and you put it here. So this is how it's going to work. All right. So and from there, you can click on download, and it will download it on the computer. So it's going to be a file .hex, and you can upload that download that file to your BBC Microbit. It's gonna work. It's work like a USB more or less. And from there, you can attach it to your shoe, and with a battery, and have it working like this. So let's give it an example. Here you go. Shake. You can try it here too. Click on shake. It's moving. Shake. So that's the same thing that's going to happen when your shoe is moving. Here it's just digital. That's a way to see how it works. So I hope you appreciated it, and give it a like, share the video, and